Looking for the best dash cam for car? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. Which is a great option if you're looking for something small and affordable. It's designed to almost disappear behind your rearview mirror, unlike the larger, bulky models that stick out. This means it won't get in your way while driving. Setting it up is easy, with no complicated menus. Once it's set up, it works in the background without you having to think about it. Despite its small size, it records in full HD with HDR. Now, Garmin also has an older version, the Dash Cam Mini 2. If you already own that model, there's not a huge reason to upgrade. Both versions share a lot of the same core features, like no built-in screen or GPS. You control everything through the Garmin Drive app, which works well for adjusting settings and reviewing recordings. The main upgrades with the Mini 3 are its new landscape design and a built-in polarizing filter that reduces reflections from your windshield. It's important to note that it records at 1080p, so if you're looking for super high-resolution footage, you might want to consider a more expensive model. But for anyone getting their first dash cam or wanting something small and simple, the Dash Cam Mini 3 covers all the basics really well. Number 4. myof 5S1 Ultra. Which packs quite a punch, especially when you look at its price and what it offers. For starters, it can record in 4K, which can really make a difference when you need to see the specifics in a video. Then it's got built-in GPS that lets you track your location and speed effortlessly. Plus it also has 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which means transferring videos to your phone or computer will be pretty fast and hassle-free. Now, from what I've gathered, the video quality is actually a standout feature here. People seem really impressed with the level of detail it captures, and even when the light isn't great like at night, it apparently does a really good job of keeping the video clear without too much graininess. That's definitely a big plus, as not all dash cams do a great job when it gets dark. Sadly though, it doesn't record at 60 frames per second. Even if you drop the resolution down to 1080p full HD, it's capped at 30 FPS. Now that's probably perfectly fine for most everyday driving, but if you're really wanting super smooth motion in your recordings, that's something to keep in mind. But other than that, it sounds like a really solid option. It might not be the most compact dash cam out there, but you can get it up and running without much fuss. Besides, myof 5 also offers rear dash cams that you can bundle with the S1 Ultra if you want coverage for the back of your car too. They have both 2K and 4K options for the rear, so if you're looking for a solid 4K dash cam that doesn't skimp on features, the myof 5 S1 Ultra could definitely be a strong contender. Next we have something a bit different from the others, the Number 3. 70 My Dash Cam Omni. This dash cam has a cool trick up its sleeve. It's got a single cam camera, but it can actually rotate a full 360 degrees. Pretty neat, huh? It's got a 140 degrees field of view, but the fact that it spins means you can record what's happening in front of you like a regular dash cam, or you can turn it around to film inside your car. Think about the possibilities there. You could record interactions with passengers, or maybe even keep an eye on things if you're a ride-share driver. The video quality maxes out at 1080p and it can go up to 60 frames per second, so while it might not have the super sharp detail of a 4K camera, the footage should still be pretty smooth, and thanks to its f1.8 lens, it maintains that smoothness pretty well in low-light situations. That's always a good thing for a dash cam. More interestingly, it's got some smart features powered by AI like motion detection. It can even try to figure out the threat level of certain events to help keep your car safe. For a single dash cam, it sounds like this one is actually quite fun to use. The price seems reasonable too. However, there's one extra thing to keep in mind. If you want to automatically back up your recordings to the cloud, you'll need to buy their separate 4G hardware kit. A bummer, I know, but overall the 7 Miles Dash Cam Omni brings something unique to the table with its rotating camera and smart features that you can't overlook. At number 2, we've got quite a bit of a powerhouse, the Number 2. nexace IQ. Think of it as a smart surveillance system, but specifically designed for your car, and you've actually got options here too, as it comes in 1K, 2K, and even a 4K version, so you can choose the level of video quality that suits you. Now, I didn't call it a powerhouse for no reason. After all, this isn't just a basic dash cam. It's got a bunch of smart features built in. Take the parking assistance, for example, which can be super helpful in difficult parking situations, and there's also something called a voice-activated witness mode to make that experience even smoother. Plus, you can actually check in on your car remotely through the nexace IQ app. It's got GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi too, so everything is always connected and synced. Interestingly, all 3 versions come with a camera that points inside your car, and you can even add an extra camera for the rear. Now here's something to be aware of. To get the full benefit of all these smart features, you'll likely need a paid subscription, so while the Camera itself is a premium piece of kit. The ongoing cost is something to consider, but from what people are saying it seems to really deliver. The setup is pretty straightforward and the app makes it easy to access all the different features, and when it comes to video and audio quality, especially on the 4K version, the output is as smooth as you'd like it to be, and because it's wired directly to your car's battery it stays on even when your car is turned off. That's a big advantage for monitoring your vehicle around the clock. Sure, this might be overkill if you just want basic recording, but if you're after a complete all-in-one system to keep a close eye on your car at all times, the Nexace IQ is definitely one of the smartest options you can get right now. And finally, we've got the number 1. VU A229 Pro 4K HDR. Now this one seems to be the real deal of a dash cam when you aren't ready to compromise even a bit. It's got 2 cameras, both of which use 2 high-quality sensors called Sony StarViz 2. What does that mean for you? Well, the front camera can record in crisp 4K resolution and the rear camera records in 2K. That should give you some seriously clear and detailed footage, which is exactly what you want from a dash cam. It also uses HDR, making sure you can see those details clearly even when there's a lot of contrast in the lighting, like at night. It really helps with night vision and even makes it easier to see license plates even if cars are moving quickly. Another cool thing is its parking mode. It actually has 3 different ways it can monitor your car while it's parked, plus it has a buffering function, which means it can save a bit of footage before an event is even detected. That could be really helpful in capturing the whole picture. Surprisingly, it even has voice control, so you can do things like start recording or take a snapshot just by using your voice. That seems really convenient and keeps your hands on the wheel. It also has 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which means you can connect to the FO app to change settings, watch videos, and share them easily. And for those who want accurate data, it's got a really precise GPS logger. It connects to multiple satellite systems to track your location, speed, and the time. Standard features like loop recording and emergency lock are also included, meaning it'll automatically record over old footage, but if there's an accident it'll lock that video so it doesn't get erased. So everything considered, the VU A229 Pro 4K HDR dashcam really delivers on video quality, and the bunch of advanced features only add to the overall wholesome experience. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from